Here it is. Good. Okay. It said you have highlighted limited customization as a con for single-use technologies at commercial scale. Please comment further, since it seems that single-use industry is almost entirely customized in the design of systems.
Well, I mean, I guess it's I guess the concept is the much vaunted I guess the razor blade concept, right? There's nothing wrong with the razor blade concept. People often in a consumable, and I come from that world myself, I might add, that people are often wanting to sell if ultimately like the razor blades, but we also live in a world where standardization is also often the first and often the only option that's presented with us. So the thought there that the traditional thought on a single-use technology is that standardization is key, and ultimately that there isn't that much in the way of customization. But individual unit, if you like, individual assemblies can be. There's a high degree of capacity to individualize or customize assemblies based on the construction of, if you like, standardized pieces of materials. If ultimately that makes sense. Does that answer the question?
Yeah, I think so. And again, I think you highlighted on your presentation the ballroom all the way down to the customized solution. You can get what you want in this field, and you can make it look the way you want when it's all said and done for safety and other reasons. And so I think I agree with you that there really is quite a bit of freedom in this, from my perspective, in the design world, in what I've seen in the past. So I think it's great.